Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of full stack web development. In previous tutorial we discussed the introduction of PHP and XAMPP, and now in this tutorial we are going to discuss the working of XAMPP in more detail. So let's start. So here is the XAMPP server that I am using and I have installed it on my system. Now first you have to go to the manage servers. The thing that you need to do first is start your Apache web server, and I will show you why you need to start the Apache server. When Apache server is started, you need to go to the URL of your browser and type localhost, and by typing localhost a dashboard opens in front of you. Similarly you can also write or you can also type 127.0.0.1, and this also takes you to the same page. Now try to stop the server and see what happens. Now I'm going to stop it and we'll try to access the dashboard again, and we'll see. Now you can see that site cannot be reached and 127.0.0.1 refused to connect. You might have seen this kind of error multiple times, and you might have heard the news that server of particular company like Gmail or WhatsApp is down at the moment. So what happens at that time? Maybe the server is on maintenance and has been stopped by the company, or maybe there is some problem with the server, and in that way you are not able to send the queries or not able to send the request to the server, and server is also refusing to connect, or server is not able to respond back to you, right? So every time you are creating some website, you should keep in your mind that the server should always be on and its availability should be so high that all the requests or most of the requests should be responded as soon as they come, and server should not be down most of the time, right? So the server should always be on. That is first thing. Now you can access this dashboard again. Now to access the database you have to go to the phpMyAdmin, and you can see again there is some error, and error says that server is not responding. So again you have not started the database server, so you have to do that first. So here is the database server that I'm going to start, and once I start this MySQL database server, I can access the page, and here you go. This is the page in front of you. You have to use this page to create new databases from here, and once you create new database, I can show you how you can create new database. I will create one for you. As of now, let us start with the CSE 6th SAM, because I am creating this video for computer science student of 6th semester. See, the database is created here. Now you can create as many tables as you want inside this database. I will start with users database, and I think 4 or 5 columns, whatever is necessary. I will click on go. Now I can create 5 columns. One is ID, username, email, contact, and maybe one more thing, that is city. And we have to set the type of these things. I am talking about ID first, so it is integer, it is fine. Give it some length, and I need to click on AI, that is auto increment, so that when you add one student, its ID will be 1, and it will be auto incremented to other students also, 1 2 3 4 and so on. So not much changes are required in this column. Similarly, username, it could not be int, so it should be either text or varchar. I will use varchar. I am not using text because if I provide text to this and provide some size like 100, then it will always occupy, text will always occupy 100. In case of varchar, if username is of 50 characters, then 50 characters will be saved for you. Similarly for the email, Contact, you can give it to the int, but sometimes if you are using the HTTP codes and plus and minus sign, then in that case varchar is fine. And let's make it 20. No contact could be, I think, more than 20 characters. Similarly, city should be varchar, and I think 50 is fine for a city name, right? Let us try to save this, and a table is created for you, right? So in future we'll use this table to do multiple operations like CRUD operations. I have already told you, which is creating this table using the PHP, reading, updating, and deleting, right? So I think this is enough for this lecture. We'll cover more things in coming lectures. Till then, if you have any doubt or if you have any query, you can always write in the comments. Thank you so much.